you ever looked at someone else's life and thought, how do they make that kind of money? Well, right now you're watching me earn about $100 an hour. And here's what I want you to know. I was not born knowing how to do this. I don't have a business degree. I didn't spend thousands of dollars on a big course. I simply learned how to clean professionally, how to find my own clients, and how to run my own business. Maybe you're working in customer service. Maybe you're working at Amazon. Maybe you're a restaurant server, bartender, retail associate, hotel employee, daycare worker, healthcare worker. If you have spent your career showing up on time, working hard, helping customers, pay attention to details, solve your own problems, and manage your time, you already have many of the skills that make an excellent solo cleaner. The cleaning itself is actually the easy part. The biggest difference is learning how to present yourself professionally, price your work, communicate with clients, and build trust. That is exactly why I created my free YouTube training. I wanted to remove the biggest obstacle that keeps so many people from changing their lives, and it's really the belief that they aren't qualified. The truth is, you probably already are. If you're willing to learn, practice, and consistently put yourself out there, this can be a realistic path to earning more while having greater control over your schedule. Cleaning isn't just about mops and microfiber cloths. It's about providing a service that people genuinely need and are very happy to pay for. If you'd like me to help you connect all the dots, I've linked my new solo cleaner playlist in the description. It walks you through everything from finding your first clients to pricing jobs, estimates, supplies, professionalism, and building a business you can be really proud of. And if you'd like more personalized guidance, I've also included a link to work with me one-on-one as your cleaning business coach. I truly believe that learning a practical skill can change someone's future. This business really changed my future. There's a good chance it could change yours too. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, I believe in you and I am here to support your growth. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more free cleaning and business training, and let me know down in the comments what type of work you're doing right now. I'd love to hear your story and help you figure out your next step. I'll see you in the next video.